Hey beauties, welcome back to What Karen Loves. So I'm here to give a little fun little video. First and foremost, I wanted to do a little it's like a mini haul because I didn't get like a lot of stuff, obviously. And then I want to show you some of my current favorites that I love right now. And yeah, so, and they're not a lot of favorites because I actually haven't really done much shopping lately. That's usually why I do vlogs, like things like I see, like, you know, I'm like, ooh, that looks so pretty. That will probably be the vlog today. So shall we get into it? Let's do the haul first and then we'll get into the favorites. So first and foremost, we got this little bad boy, Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. It's the primer and setting spray with coconut water, and it sounds amazing. So, and I have not used it yet, so we're gonna go. Oh, it smells like coconut. It smells so good. Love that. It smells really good. Obviously not wearing a lot of makeup. Only wearing, you know, some highlight and some, you know, stuff like that. But it still feels pretty good. It feels refreshing. Alright, the next one is from Bare Minerals. I cannot speak. Which is the 30 Detox. And it's a skin glowing and refined mud mask. And it sounds really amazing. So, it's supposed to, let me see. I got the box right here. Okay. Gets super clean. Let's see. Just a lot of stuff. But it sounds amazing. So I can't wait to try it. Because my face, I don't know about y'all's, but my face has been breaking out so bad during this quarantine, like so bad. So, and with the mask and all that stuff, it's even worse. Okay, so here's the next one. This is actually what I'm wearing today for my eyes. Is the Too Faced, you know, Sweet Peach, which is something I've been wanting to get for a while now. So I'm very excited to keep on trying it and seeing what I can make out of it. But I'm wearing just peachy, candy peach, and caramelized is the looks for today. So, which I think might have turned out pretty good. I wanted to try something different, so I'm very happy that I did that. Okay, and I gotta say, this is leaning to the favorites because I really like it. I mean, I got to try three of the shades today. So I can't wait to see what more I can do. Oh, and Luscious is also the color too that I have on too. I almost forgot about that one. So Luscious, just peachy, candy peach, is also one. But can't wait to dive into this. So the colors are so cute, and I love the design, obviously. So it's kind of my favorite. I kind of like it right now. Obviously still gonna keep, you know, using it, but right now I love how the look turned out today. So this is the next favorite. It's actually the brand of the case I have on my current phone, but different pattern, of course. But a while back I got the deal. They had like, it's like, I think it was around Mother's Day, where they had like two, you know, get one and get one free or whatever. I don't know. But just Casey, this is the second case I have. I have the plaid one on my case right now. I really love the cases. And they're really sturdy and they feel great on my iPhone. So as you guys know, I have the iPhone 11 Pro, so it needs that protection. So okay. So next favorite is this right here. It's the Quee I cannot pronounce that, Ponx, for stress skin soothing body lotion with honey and like I said, I can't pronounce that, but it's a really beautiful design, and you know, it's great. And plus, it has no animal testing, has lots of no stuff, which is pretty cool. I don't know if it's gonna focus because my camera wants to be done, but it's amazing. I have really dry skin here lately, so this stuff has definitely been a new add to my stuff, because honestly, with this dry skin and dryness, weather, and all the virus stuff going around, and you have to wear a mask all the time, your skin gets so dry. All right, and it smells amazing too. Okay. All right, so the next favorite is this bad boy, which I'm still kind of iffy if I like it, to be honest with you. So I don't know. It is kind of expensive, kind of pricey a bit. I got the, I think this is the mini one. But I've been wanting to try this for a long time. I think it's been like a few weeks now that I've had it, maybe a month now. I wanted to try it because obviously I always been wanting to try this forever, and I keep hearing good things about it. For right now, I don't know, because like it feels great and it feels amazing on the skin. But I feel like ever since I've used it, my skin has broken out. I don't know if it's that or if it's just the weather and everything else going on. So I'm still determined to still give this a shot, and maybe I'll be proven wrong, you know, because I haven't seen too much results with this guy. But we'll see. But like I said, it's a daily facial cleanser, and yeah, pretty great. I love it. But anyways, ooh, I guess a lot of coconut still, and I'm not sure what the scent of this is, but it smells so good. Like it's like a honey. I think it's what it is, but I could like smell the honey. But anyways, there will be a new blog up in the description below, down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's not really crazy, but I really wanted to try something different for this week, and with everything hectic this week, so I just thought it would be fun just to do a little haul. Nothing too crazy. Y'all, these things do not like to stay on. I felt once. And I was just like, nope. But anyways. Ew. Gross. I need new foundation for sure. Okay. But anyways. Like I said, new blog will be down below, and don't forget to comment down below what you'd like to see soon. And I will try to remember to put some of the stuff in the description below if I can remember that. But that is all I have, you guys, today. I'm so sorry that the schedule lately has been crazy. Oh my god, I cannot get over this look. I really love it. It's like natural. It's so pretty. Okay, anyways. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Till then, hope you guys have a good day. Bye. That's all. XOXO.